This question is on collision theory. What is collision theory talking about? It is telling us that before a reaction takes place, the individual molecules that are reacting, known as reactants, the particles must collide with one another. They must collide. And that collision must be effective, meaning the reaction sites must collide for them to react and change to product. And not all these collisions are effective because there is a minimum amount of energy required for every group of reactants to possess so that their collision will be effective. It's just like me giving you a dirty slap when you only need 20 slaps to cry and I give you only 5. Will you cry? No, you wouldn't. Until I give you either 20 or above 20 for you to start crying. That is collision theory. Now, check this question. The collision theory proposes that A. Reactants collide more frequently to bring about reduction in the reaction rate. This is a fallacy. Reactants collide more frequently, rather, to bring about increase in reaction rate, because the more frequent the collision, the more the number of effective collisions that lead to reaction, and the higher the reaction rate that produces the product. So A is wrong. D. All collisions of reactants are effective. No. If I give you only 2 slaps when you need 20 to cry, the 2 slaps I've given to you is not effective because you are not going to cry. So B is wrong. It's a fallacy. Rather, all collisions of reactants are not effective. It's only some that are effective. It's only some that have reached that minimum energy that is required for reaction to take place. And that energy is called activation energy. C. Reactants must collide with a certain minimum amount of energy to form products. What did I say? So C is correct. They must possess a certain minimum amount of energy for the reaction to happen and for the product to form. Just like you going to the marketplace or supermarket and they say everybody must have at least $1 in order to get a good from here, and you have none. What happens? You get in there without money and you get out there without any goods. Therefore, all reactants must possess a certain minimum amount of energy known as activation energy. Without that energy, no reactant will be activated to react. D says the fewer the collisions, the faster the reaction rate. How true is this? No, it is not true. Rather, the more the number of collisions, the faster the reaction. If the collisions are too few, the reaction will not be fast. The reaction will be slow because the collisions that lead to production of products are so few. I hope you got value. If this is your first time of seeing this page, click on the plus sign if you are on TikTok. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Do have a nice day. Bye.